found out about this place through my mom because her favorite animals are manatees. And when we got here, we saw a dolphin like swimming around right around where you first walk in, and that was really cool. When we got on the boat and we started like going out to the where you go and see the manatees, I saw about 5 or 7 manatees, and when you first get in, it was like kind of like nerve-wracking because you didn't like, you're getting in the water with wild animals, but it's really safe the way they do it. You don't do it to mess with the manatees, just for the experience, and you're allowed to pet them, and it's really cool. I got to pet a mom and a calf, so I thought that was pretty cool. And I would recommend to come here because I like it.